Today on AFOL TV, we're building a Lego DJ booth, and it starts right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to build awesome Lego creations, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you never miss anything. All right guys, so as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing a Lego DJ booth. A couple things to point out before we begin. The speaker in the front is really easy. It's just little dishes attached to a 2x6 brick. And then the laptop up here just sits right on top, super easy. And this is actually a follow-up to the build that we did yesterday, which was our Lego concert stage. If you haven't seen that yet, I'm gonna post it up above. Super easy, and it's an awesome build to add this to. It fits perfectly. But for this one, let's get to it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. We release new content every week. And that's it. Hope you guys like the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.